This is a special conversation with legendary singer Hariharan. His new album Jaan Meri is out now. In fact, making waves as well. So thank you very much for speaking to Times Now. Fresh album Jaan Meri. How excited you are, and tell us something more about the album itself, sir.
This, what is the speciality about this is that it has got one poet's lyrics. It's only Farhad Shehzad. Me and Farhad we have collaborated, and we have done a lot of work individually, like singles we have done. But the first time we come together, and it's a very special album for me. And there are 5 ghazals in it, and two are light mood, and the rest 3 are a little heavy mood. And you have a Baat Se Baat ghazal, which is, I call it Boznova, because you have those kind of beats, you know. Ghazal Nova, we call it, because it has got Boznova beats.
One question, like you've always been vocal about the music industry as well. You started with an album like Colonial Cousins. Now, why individual albums are not being made, sir? What exactly is impacting that aspect? Like,
No, it'll be made. They're doing singles. It's because it's Insta, no? You need reels and single and things like that. But basically, making an album is easier because with the same marketing, you are actually marketing 5 or 6 songs, where you're just doing one song. So I think basically doing an album is very healthy, and album is something physically or digitally. It has songs. It has. We write about the mood of the artist when they recorded the song, who have played in the song, the story behind the album, and there are photographs. All said and done, you love photographs. So I think basically we have forgotten albums, but albums are here to stay.
so you've also completed, like, you complete 50 years, glorious years in the industry. What is the success? What is the basically secret to the success, as well as the longevity, as well as how to stay relevant for such a long time? Like,
Basically, don't dwell on your past glories.
okay,
Yesterday is gone.
that's a good one.
Chala gaya. It's gone. So it's about today and tomorrow. And be one with the new generation. Because they are thinking, they have come to this world much later than us. They are excited about this world. And when you are excited and you're new to this world, your perspective of the world is different. So let us absorb that perspective. Rather than telling कि हमारा ज़माने में बहुत अच्छा है, we enjoyed it. But what is today? That is what's relevant. And if you give importance to relevance, then you become relevant.
That's a nice one.
In your music also.
Got it.
When, see, what is art? It's a reflection of society. It's a reflection of your thoughts. It's a reflection of your life. So if you have relevance to today and tomorrow, your music will echo that. It'll be relevant.
Today's society is also about AI. How do you think AI is impacting the music industry, positive or negative?
AI is just a crutch, yaar. वो होता है, अच्छा है. But let us not take AI so seriously, because it helps, it enhances, it makes what takes 10 days, you might do it in 3 days or whatever. That's fine. But basically, creation is by a human being. There is no doubt about it. It can't replace humans.
Do you think it is replacing, sir? Because technology has taken over. Like,
अरे टेक्नोलॉजी होने
feel
दो
for
यार,
young singers, like,
टेक्नोलॉजी होने दो, बट कितना करेगा? Where is the dynamics of a human's emotions? You can't do it. I'll challenge. नहीं हो सकता है. मैं गाता हूं, तुम replicate करके दिखाओ. नहीं होगा. If it comes to that, it's not possible. हाँ, मोटा मोटी कर सकते हैं आप. मोटा मोटी कर सकते हैं आप. हाँ, मतलब you have a thought process ki I want these points to come, and it writes a bite, or it writes a story or something like that. That's fine. But beyond that, to what extent it can go? नहीं जाएगा. Because music is fine arts. It takes a lifetime to understand it. And when you have crossed 20, 30 years, 40 years, you start understanding it.
So
And
you have watched 50 years in the music industry.
Yeah.
What is the one significant aspect that you think has changed in the music industry constantly in the last 3 decades at least?
basically, the soundscape has changed. Like even today, Jan Mary, the soundscape is of today's.
Yeah, I said that.
The music is a lot of it from yesteryears. Ragdhari, ye wo, jagaएं ye. But the soundscape is today. Because you are listening to music digitally now. Through headphones, through phones and things like that. So this soundscape has to be compatible for that. You understand? So you have to make a song and the soundscape has to sound good in any of the appliances. Right from vinyl, CD, yeah.
How much of an impact Instagram or the social media has when you're making a song now? Because these songs get used on Instagram Reels as well.
Please don't ever think about Instagram when you're working.
Oh.
Please. I mean, if you want to be a real artist, okay, be a real artist. But if you want to be an artist, think about the art, man. Give yourself a break, na? Don't get confused.
So good one, sir.
Don't get confused. I mean, you're talking of art, you're talking of music, you're talking of soul. Where does real come into that? Okay, you get instantaneous gratification. It's like getting tips. The reels. But that doesn't make an artist. How long will you do that?
You've been speaking about change as well. Now, you've worked with A.R. Rahman closely. Recently, he mentioned about communal bias, and probably many people are not getting work because of the communal bias. Something has changed in the industry. How do you respond to that?
Well, I wouldn't comment on it because I don't know in what context he said that. You know, because I have known him. He's a brother to me, and I wouldn't comment on that.
Do you feel there is a communal bias?
I don't feel it. I don't, because I have I come from a Brahmin family, Tamil Brahmin family, and the closest people for me is my guru, Ghulam Sokha Sahab, and his family. So you understand. Rahman is the closest person to me. So and all my a lot of my musicians are all Muslims. So and I think I'm the only person who went to Pakistan, stayed for 2 months, 3 months, and I did an album called Lahore Ke Rang Hari Ke Sang, and it was produced by a Pakistani. So I mean, I don't know from how. I don't know what to say about it. Yeah.
And sir, about like Arijit Singh as well, saying that he wants to quit playback. He has quit playback singing and wants to focus on independent music. Now, how do you look at that? Because he's also, recent singer, but very famous as well. Like,
I basically feel it's very good for him because he wants to move on. In film music, you can do only to that extent. I've gone through it.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I've done thousands of hundreds of songs for the South Indian industry and Bollywood industry. But utna hi kar sakte hain because you're doing music for another media called the film.
Film. Oh.
अच्छा अभी क्या हो रहा है कि film, the way they say a story is different. It's more practical, more realistic, and it's more verbal. There's no dreamy sequence. Nobody is dreamy there. They are more practical. They are so practical that wow, it's really like earth-shattering practicality.
So in future, you think songs will not have a space?
It doesn't have now. Unless you have either suddenly you put in a kind of raunchy kind of a song or a party song or something like that. Yeah, ekdam background song. So there is no romantic song, na?
That thing has changed.
It's not that, na? All this Fantasies, you don't fantasize about anything. You want to fantasize, you say, okay, AI, I want to fantasize. Tell me what I have to say. ये हालत हो गया है. सोचिए कितना हम लाचार हो गए हैं. And we glorify AI. And we glorify all this thing which is going on.
So you don't accept this, whatever is happening in the...
You tell me, na.
No, it is your opinion matters.
It is taking away your creativity. Are you dumb? Are you that dumb that you can't create something? And you become so intelligent कि अरे मैं AI को बोलूँगा ये ऐसा कर दो करके. अरे यार लानत है. आप करो ना. AI, you use AI. Don't get used. Otherwise, your name will become AI Hariharan, AI so and so, AI something. सब artificial intelligence से काम कर रहे हैं आप. क्या?
And how situation is changing in the film industry? You mentioned, do you fear or do you think that songs will be vanished from the film?
Lesser. It becomes like it'll be only like James Bond में title में there'll be a song, and there is nothing. No, it's only background score. Even the songs will be in the background score.
These are warning bells for young singers, sir.
There's nothing warning bells and all that. They can do independent music. Independent music will grow, and the music will be very good.
It is the way ahead now for music.
Yes, it is.
So one more question, like what we have seen is earlier when songs were made in regional languages, like particularly South Indian songs, they were dubbed, the same songs were dubbed in Hindi as well. So those songs, South Indian songs did not become famous. But now South Indian songs, be it Marathi songs, they are getting pan-India appeal as well. Like they've been accepted. Acceptance has grown. What is the reason, sir, for that? Like what do you think?
Basically, it's just all coming together. It's cross-cultural. I mean, when you can get influenced by blues and you can get influenced by Korean pop and all that, you can get influenced by Tamil songs, no?
Yes.
Simple. It is geographically you are nearer, basically. And nowadays we speak every language like Punjabi. मतलब आप साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज में भी एक पंजाबी भाग रहा है बिकॉज इट्स इन
Influencer.
इन्फ्लुएंस या
Thank you very much for speaking time. Thank you. Pleasure speaking.